So I got to looking at this carburetor the other day, and I said in a past video that this machine kind of has a weird idle. The reason for that, I believe, is because this carburetor, it's an aftermarket universal one, but you'll see here we have the lead for the solenoid going nowhere. There's not even a solenoid on this thing, it's just a normal bowl. This is, I looked it up on Amazon, and apparently it's, according to what they say, it's the correct carburetor. But I decided to purchase one with a fuel solenoid built into the bowl anyways. So I'm just gonna take this one off. There's really not much to it. We'll take off this PCV line, lean that aside. Now I'm also going to pinch off the fuel line so we don't get an excess amount of fuel. Pull this little clamp back. Gasket. I just grabbed the proper 10mm socket. So you'll see all these linkages that are attached. All you want to do is just carefully pull these back. You don't want to bend the linkages. This one looks like it's got one of these plastic pieces on it. There we go. So from Amazon, I found this kit. The link is in the description. It comes with a new air filter, which we definitely needed, and the new carburetor. Comes with a new spark plug with new fuel filter, which I've already replaced, but we'll keep that for the horde. Got some new gaskets. We'll replace these just because. And then we have a sort of converter wire. We'll have to see what this goes to. But since we've got a new gasket, we'll just pull this old one off. Throw the new one on. And then here is the fuel solenoid I was talking about. So let's stick this all back on. You want to look at your carburetor, make sure everything's correct. Looks the same other than the bowl. So I'll pull this plastic retainer out because we are going to need that. Make sure everything works here as advertised. I think we're good. Get this one on first. Install that. There we go. So just like that, stupid simple. You guys can see I got the little retainer back on, got that linkage in, got the choke linkage on, gaskets behind, all good. So now you'll see on this one, we have this gasket, which is the old one. Pull that off, replace it with this one. So put this on first, the mount box. Fuel line. Let the bowl fill up, see if we have any leaks. Put the PCV line back on. We didn't need to remove this plastic thread, so I'm gonna go slow. Brand new pleated air filter with a sock that goes around it. It's back on just like that. So now we have this piece right here. So they give you a new crimp piece, which let's see if this will even go into this one. If it does, I'm just not going to worry about it. But this ground will probably ground right here. We're gonna have to cut this end off. Put the box back on. So, picked up a new fuel tank. We're just gonna throw this on. Works good. Engine idle's nice, no surging whatsoever. Awesome.